It's a rare occurrence, fellers. It was either work on the spark or scrape the trailer where I want it painted at. She fought me tooth and nail, but she's finally out there scraping. I don't know how good a job she's gonna do. She told me I'd have to redo it, but at least she's doing it. Look at her sparkly shoes, ain't she funny? How you doing? Hola. Oh, you're really getting out there now.
Oh yeah, we're in what, Washington? Hola.
It's the end of the day. Let's capture the sunset. It's all in the sunset. Oh well, that wasn't too good. Did y'all check out that drone footage? Wasn't it cute? We're learning how to fly.
It didn't crash.
We didn't. The wind was 15 miles an hour, and we flew it. Oh, the wind was so hard it would only fly at 6 miles an hour. That's cool. The girl, did y'all see her in the other video? Every time it came in, she ran from it. I don't even think she knew she was doing that. It was hilarious.
It's like a bee buzzing you.
It is a big bee. I named it Bob. It's Bob Spark. Right? Bob?
It's a real person.
It's a real person. Where are you going? Let's stop here.
It's cold. I was going to
It is cold. All right, let's go in. We were just told that we got to get some brake shoes. So we might be here in Spokane all night. Not that I'm scared to go on or anything. I got plenty of time on this load and figure, hey, why get a ticket, right? Not that I'm going to get pulled in. But hey, if they're bad, they're bad, right? You just got to fix it. Y'all know how it is. The dogs had the tinkle. Oh, look at them go! All right, so we got back out of the truck because it's too dark in there to do anything.
And the dogs needed to.
The sun is going down, so the girl can come out and play now. See, she scares me when she grins like that. Insert picture of Daffy Duck here.
No, that's
No.
that's the duck face.
No, not that. You don't even know Daffy Duck cartoons. I gotta show. Hang on, I gotta look this up on YouTube and show her Daffy Duck and his smile. Looking for that Daffy Duck footage, but if y'all know where it is, let me know. The one where he goes and grins like that all the time, or even the ones where he is shrunk down tiny and running around with that coin saying, mine, 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 all mine. That would be helpful too, because I have plans for both of them. And Bugs Bunny in the pot of water. That's going to be a used one too. A little dog looks up like that. He looks like Bugs Bunny. Have you guys ever thought about this? The unifying factor in the world, coffee, right? Everybody, everywhere drinks coffee.
I would say food in general, but coffee's probably more similar. Everybody uses the coffee bean, which adds extra stuff to it.
Tobacco, not so much anymore, but in the rest of the world, yeah. Boobs, right?
Well, I don't know.
There's a lot of interesting things that tie us together. And I've never asked you guys this, but I'm going to ask y'all today. Have you ever seen a wild chicken? Because chicken is unifying, all right? You've seen deer, right? Tame and wild.
Pigs,
tame
pigs.
And wild. Dogs, everything, right? Fish, everything.
What about cows?
You got wild cows.
Okay.
Yeah. They got wild cows. They got wild horses. They got, and you got prairie chickens and stuff, but they're still different, right? There ain't nowhere in the world you can find a wild chicken.
I don't know.
That's something to think about.
Where'd they come from?
I don't know. I think we ate them all, but we kept the
We
ones
kept
that
breeding stock.
yeah, we kept breeding stock, and the rest of them they couldn't escape. So, you know.
We kept the slow ones.
All right, look at turkeys, right? We got turkeys, and
Yeah.
we still have wild turkeys.
I looked that way to see what you was looking at when you said look at.
They almost went extinct, but now we have wild turkeys again. But the chicken apparently went extinct
In the wild.
in the wild, right? And that feels really good. The girls are up my back. Yeah.
This is going to be a forever video now.
Yeah,
oh,
I'm not
look,
going
20
nowhere.
minutes into it. We're still talking.
Let's take a station identification break.
Yeah, so you'll find what you're looking for when you stop looking. All of your exes with lessons in. We'll talk about them again. You keep on settling. Wonder if love is a pain or the medicine. You never let it in. Well, I guess that you're right. But Vegas been never my type. And I didn't build up this wall overnight. See, I wanted more than just lust for the night. Then you came in my life. You're different than them. I'm used to them playing pretend. I'm used to you're only a friend. Felt deep each letter you send. I'm questioning loving again. I'm questioning when it will end. Then till I break it, my heart don't break even. I want this for longer than only a season. And you didn't break me. You came to pick up the pieces. No, you never hear it, but you is who I believe in. No one ever perfect, but you are perfect to me. And lately I'm believing in love. You are the reason I'm talking to my angels above. Wish you could meet him, wish I could see him one more day. Just to hear his voice tell me everything is okay. Just to show him that his son is here, folk to change. And hear him laugh when I tell him about the stories we made, pretending like I'm okay. I'm broken and you know it. Building up a wall and never show it. Grabbing on my face told me focus. You're not the only one that's been broken. I'm hoping you open up. I thought what? Thinking that I'm always hoping, but I realize I've been swollen shut. There's more to us, there's more to love than surface. Lost the surface front. And the night I might spill my guts, she said.
Look, it's 60 degrees. I got a long sleeve shirt on. She's got a long sleeve shirt on. She's freezing.
It's windy too. And
Not
cold.
here. It feels good here.
No, it don't. It's cold.
She said
I
that
told him he could
we
take
should
his
be
shirt off.
equal, and I should take this shirt off so I can be cold with her.
That's right. We should be equal. Take your shirt off. He's got 2 shirts on.
Should I give you my shirt?
I'll put it on over this. Yes.
Does that keep you warm?
Yes.
That's not chivalry. Chivalry is conduct in battle. That's just being a gentleman.
I don't want your hat.
There, take it. The things we give up.
I hope he get cold. He has me out here in the cold. In the cold, talking to you guys.
Well,
I told him y'all don't want me to be cold. And he said, oh yeah, they do, Tammy.
Yeah, who you are. That's right. Whatever.
He said, yeah, they do, prissy pants. They want you to freeze.
They might.
I look like Count Dracula,
You
Chocula,
are.
somebody.
You're an evil serial killer, Count Dracula.
Are you getting cold now?
No, I'm rolling up my sleeves.
He's just trying to show off.
I got nothing to show off. I'm old and fat. So there you go. You know what I'm saying, right? Not that you're old and fat. Just I am. I never judge.
I should have brushed my hair. I washed it.
When was the last time you brushed your hair?
When
Think
it's-
about it for real.
When it, for real, over the weekend, it had a rat in it, and I had to brush the rat out of it.
Usually you just do this thing. And
No, I had to brush the rat out of it. I had to get some spray conditioner and brush it out.
see, I didn't get you when you first got out of the shower, but you look just like the girl in the ring, except for a live
You
version.
have told them, showed them me before just getting out of the shower.
They might not have saw it though. It's kind of disturbing.
No, it's not.
It is.
I look like pleasantness.
No, the hair is just right over your face, and you're walking like this. No, you're not walking like that, but you know what I'm saying. It's like the ring.
He's going to get himself in trouble.
It's going to be a long night. We ain't going nowhere. I might as well be in trouble.
Well, I guess if that's the attitude you want to have, you'll stay in trouble.
What are we going to do?
Apparently, we ain't going to rub your back no more because you're in trouble.
My back could use some rubbings. Let's edit videos.
Do I get some back rubbings too?
Wait a minute. It's my turn.
Did you guys see the Did you guys see the desperation? And it's my turn.
It is. It is.
I saw the desperation.
Let's go do some work and see if we're going to make it out of here alive tonight. We'll see you guys later.
well when he did before to make you feel like you're less, you're more. Your clothes are floor. I guess I got a glass full of feelings that I overpour. Now I can't handle my liquor. We get love drunk and we keep getting sicker. I tell you you're worth it, if something gets triggered, you start crying. Like, Mark, why you lying? Your beautiful body and mind, you're rolling your eyes. I get that you're trying. See, lately my heart is surrounded by lines, but if you have time, I would love for you to bear with me. Look up at the stars and just stare with me. Travel around the world through the air with me. I just wanna be with someone that'll care with me, there with me when it all comes crumbling down. And pick up all the parts of me you see on the ground. I gave him all of me and he was fucking so picking they pounds, damn. I know you're feeling distant, saying men are all the same, I can't tell you different. No, I don't deserve a chance, but you down listing. A broke rapper with a dream and a grand vision. I'm damn driven and you know that I'm believing in you. You focus on the things you said you never could do. You focus on the drama, all you need is the truth. And you to see what I see in you, if only I could too. I don't wanna be a memory, wanna wake up and see you next to me. Wanna dream bigger, better legacy. I know I'm more than open sesame, but if you wanna break the code, you get the best of me. It's when you said to me, yeah, it's when you said to me.